I just finished wrapping my lumpia, so I go ahead cook my lunch. Ayan, we're baking fish fillet tilapia. I season it with salt and pepper. And adding with red onions and ginger and lemon. Ayan, I already put the ginger and red onions and lemon in our tilapia fillet, and put a little bit olive oil. And we go ahead bake it. Guys, magbibake din tayo ng zucchini. Yan, tinimpla ko na sa salt and pepper, and I put red onions and ginger, and then green onions, and saka sprinkle it with olive oil. So ipasok din natin doon sama yung ating baked na tilapia. Ayan guys, luto na yung natin, yung ating fillet na tilapia. So okay guys, so this is our fillet tilapia. Yeah, wow, sarap. It's already done. And this one guys is our veggie, the zucchini. Ooh, kusok-kusok pa. And everything is baked. Yeah, that's all. Only, I put red onions and ginger. Then season it with salt and pepper and a little bit olive oil. This one guys, this is eggplant. You know what I did is this is already broiled, and I suppose gonna cook it as a tortang talong, but what I did is bake it in the oven. I just season it and put the white eggs in it, and so this is the first time I did. Instead of tortang talong, I just wrap it in aluminum foil and put a little bit olive oil, and then white eggs. Okay, our brown rice. Ayan. Luto na siya guys. That's a brown rice, but I put turmeric powder. So, ready na tayo mag-mukbang. Okay, we're gonna start our mukbang. Sa niluto ko. Okay, before I start my mukbang, I'm gonna show you my outfit that I bought in a thrift store. There you go, guys. If you remember in my previous vlog that I showed this to my vlog, this belt and the skirt. Okay, so ayan guys, I bought those in a thrift store like a month ago, and this lately hindi ako nakapunta ng thrift store. So anyway, this will start our mukbang. Okay guys, I forget to tell you about this my headband. I made this gin crochet ko. So this is gonna be this gonna be ganito siya guys. Kasi gumagawa ko ng hat, then ito rin yung headband. Para ano, patakip ng puti ng mga buhok. Hindi pa ako nakapagkulay dahil sa kabisihan. So, ayan guys. Yan, tago yung mga ano, yung mga puti-puti na mga buhok natin dyan. Tumatanda na. Ayan. So, okay, so this is our food. This is eggplant. I bake it in the oven. I season it with salt and pepper and a little bit olive oil, and then I put white eggs. And this is our fillet tilapia. And that's our our vegetables, the zucchini, and our brown turmeric rice. This is a brown rice. Okay guys, so let's start eating, and I'm just gonna eat what I can, and I don't think I can eat all of this. So okay, so let's eat. Guys, let's eat. And I have my iced tea. Okay. So, kakamay sana ako guys eh, pero so, tikman na natin. We try this our fillet tilapia na binake. It's really good. I put too much. I put a lot of ginger. Come on, let's eat, guys. Sorry if I'll make you all hungry. It is our baked zucchini. Then try natin ang ating eggplant. Masarap din pala siya pag ano, instead na itorta, i-bake sa oven, tapos i-season mo lang siya at saka ng itlog. Pwede yung ano rin, yung buo na itlog, scramble mo at saka ibuhos mo. Ang nilagay ko kasi yung white egg, puro siya white. So, yan so. Shoutout ako kay mega shoutout kay Noemi Saleri. Yesterday it's her birthday, so happy birthday Noemi. And we supposed gonna hang out together today, but something come up, so she can't come over. So I cook. So instead, I supposed gonna cook food for us to eat. So I cook this guys for me now. So gawin ko na lang mukbang. Okay, so mega shout out kay Feli Belmonte. Thank you for watching my videos all the time. Mega shout out sa iyo. At sana hindi ka magsawa kapapanood sa channel ko. And mega shout out sa kapatid ko na lagi niyang sinusubaybayan ang mga upload ko. Mega shout out sa iyo, and mega shout out kay Joelyn Iglesia. So, mega shout out kay Janita Castro. Thank you, Bing, sa panood mo ng channel ko. Maraming salamat. And sa mga nag-support ng channel ko, mega shout out kay Miwi TV, mega shout out kay Main Hunter, the two little monkeys, mega shout out. Congratulations na na-monetize ka na. And mega shout out sa Kiray and Kiddos. Mega shout out sa inyo. Sa lahat na mga hindi ko na mention, mega shout out lahat sa iyo. Ito, kain tayo. Wala akong lang breakfast, guys. Nag-ginger tea lang ako this morning because I plan to do mukbang. So this is my lunch, mukbang. Masarap siya, guys. The filet tilapia is good. You bake it and, you know, just pour a lot of ginger, red onions, season it with salt and black pepper, and a little bit olive oil. Enjoy talaga ako, guys, yung thrifting. Pagdating sa thrifting, gusto ko talaga. Marami ka talaga makikita doon na talagang magaganda. Kahit sa mga gamit, damit. So, yun. Itong lately, hindi ako nakapag-thrifting kasi nag-busy kami. Got busy because my son moved out, and so we did a lot of stuff for moving upstairs. I moved in on my son's room, and Amaya is moved into her mom's room, and her mom moved to the master bedroom where me and Amaya used to stay. Now we all had room. So right now it's still it's already all the stuff, it's already moved, but I still got some other stuff to put it away because everything's still on the floor. Some of my other stuff still on the floor. So I'm gonna update you guys after I finish fixing everything. Right now, it's outside. It's sunny, but it's windy, cold. Because last night, like 100% rain whole night. Sorry. Yung apo ko, my granddaughter, she's upstairs watching TV. She already finished eat. She ate spaghetti. That's what I cook for her. Now I got chance to sit down, eat my mukbang, eat my lunch mukbang. Sarap, guys, sarap. At saka this couple days guys, I'm busy making lumpia. Shanghai lumpia. Kasi ano, dami kong orders. Lalo-lalo na magpapasko, this Christmas. So yesterday there's 2 people pick up their orders like 100 pieces of lumpia each. So like so today I make another 200 pieces for lumpia, and I got some more to do at Christmas. Marami pa. Para nakalahati ko na yung kanin. Ayan. So, ito na lang yung ano, zucchini, papakin ko na lang. Sarap. Okay guys, busog na ako. Ang beto ng ano, iced tea. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang mukbang ko. I hope you all enjoy my mukbang. And thank you for watching. And I would like to thank everybody to support my channel, and don't skip my ads. Yung hindi pa, kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, if you're new in my channel, please subscribe and comment below, and welcome ka dito sa channel ko. And lahat na nag-subscribe sa akin, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat, sa walang sawa sa kapanood ng video ko. Okay? So, i-end ko na dito yung vlog ko. Maraming salamat. And good morning sa inyo. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And God bless everyone. Bye! After my mukbang, let's drink hot lemon tea. Ayan guys, gumawa ko ng lemon tea. So, pampatunaw ng kinain.